Hey there! Welcome to this quick guide on how to use ChatGPT, your new AI-powered assistant. If you're new to ChatGPT, don't worry. MaxLexiBot is here to walk you through how to use it in easy, simple steps. Let's get started. Step 1. Access ChatGPT. First, you need to go to the ChatGPT website or open the app. You'll need an account to use it. Simply sign up, or if you already have one, log in. Step 2. Ask a question or give a prompt. Once you're logged in, you're ready to ask ChatGPT anything. Just type your question or prompt in the chat box. For example, you can ask, "What's the weather like today?" Or "How do I solve this math problem?" ChatGPT will respond with helpful answers. Step 3. Be specific for better results. The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT's response will be. Instead of just asking, "Tell me about history," try asking, "Can you explain the causes of the French Revolution?" Step 4. Keep the conversation going. Don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. ChatGPT can carry on a conversation, helping you learn or solve problems step by step. Step 5. Explore other features. Did you know ChatGPT can help with writing, brainstorming ideas, or even summarizing text? Just ask. You can use it for everything from study help to creative writing. And that's it. Using ChatGPT is simple and fun. Whether you're asking questions or getting creative, it's a tool that can help with almost anything. Start chatting and see what you can create. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tips. Happy chatting!